It's no secret that I'm a big fan of the Invictus Silhouette from World Balance. I've unboxed two in this channel, the R2-D2 Invictus and the Darth Vader Invictus. Hell, I've even customized my Darth Vaders to be these kick-ass one-of-ones. But recently they've come out with a city pack of the Invictus, with colorways representing different cities around the world. And inside this box is one of those shoes. Shout out to Mr. Eric Nadurata of World Balance for sending these in. I always love it when I get new shoes. Alright, let's go unbox this. Inside this box is the World Balance Invictus Tokyo Colorway. It's in size 13, like most my other shoes. Once we open the box, there's the usual wax paper covering the shoes to prevent them from rubbing on each other during shipping. You don't want to get a normal shoe and a pregnant shoe when it comes, do you? And here they are. Whew, what a rave of a colorway. They're the most colorful shoes I own. Alright, let me take you on a tour of the Tokyo Invictus. In keeping with the trend of big shoes, the Invictus is a dad shoe silhouette, and it's great for people with wide feet. The base of the shoe is black, but there's a little bit of everything sprinkled all over. Let's start with the upper. The toe cap and the panel of the first two lace stays are in black suede. I love suede, it feels so premium in the hand. Majority of the upper is black breathable mesh. It's not the same ripstop mesh on the R2-D2 and Darth Vader. We get some hits of yellow at the edges of the toe box and at the heel support of the midsole. The lace starting tab is red, so is the midfoot clip, the heel counter, and the tongue liner. The main leather arch on the midfoot is in a beautiful seafoam green, and under that is some more leather and purple. The heel tab is also in this lovely color. The laces are mostly black, with some hits of purple and green. Moving on to the midsole, it's a split between black, white, and gray. I love the partitioning of color on these. It makes the bulky Invictus silhouette a bit more sleeker. The outsoles are black and extend a bit over to the sides of the shoe. What a crazy colorway. I love it. The insole is black and it has the World Balance logo on it, and it's of the bounce pad system. I thoroughly enjoy World Balance's bounce pad tech. It's very comfortable and it's very springy to the step. It's well suited for walking on stable surfaces for extended periods of time, like with what I do in my day job. And that's the World Balance Invictus Tokyo. Let's see them on feet. You know what these remind me of? These remind me of the times I visited Shibuya Crossing at night. All the lights and the colors of the area are really represented here in the shoe. So I immediately changed the laces out for some black katakana laces. This colorway is loud and kind of obnoxious. It's great to pair with muted pants, so it'll pop like it should. Like with all my other Invictus models, they're pretty comfortable. I'm really happy with them, and I'm sure I'll be pretty happy with these too. The World Balance Invictus City Pack has two more colorways, London and Havana. Do you want me to do an unboxing of those as well? Let me know in the comments. So that's my unboxing of the World Balance Tokyo Invictus. Do you have any questions about it? Let me know in the comments. And please do like the video and subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more straight-to-the-point unboxing videos like this. My previous video was my unboxing of the Asus ROG Harrier GT300 gaming mouse. Have you seen it yet? Go watch it. It's pretty good. That's it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.